I would like to discuss how you can improve your reading speed by using your peripheral vision. So, how do we read a piece of text? So, here is some text on the screen. So, what happens is that our eyes stop at a bunch of words, feed that into the brain, and then move on to the next bunch of words. So, this is a continuous and repetitive process. The eyes stop for fraction of seconds at a bunch of words. The act of stopping at certain words is fixation, and the number of words which the eyes can take in one fixation is the span of recognition. Fast readers have large span of recognition. How can fast readers read more words per fixation? They use their peripheral vision. Now, what do I mean by peripheral vision? So, you can focus on an object in the room and you will see it clearly. But there are objects to the left and to the right of that object which you are also able to register. So, you are registering them using your peripheral vision. Now, let us consider a phrase one fine day. So the slow reader will read one and then fine and then day and then combine it to form the phrase one fine day, which is an image, which forms an image in his mind of a fine day. On the other hand, a fast reader will read that phrase in one go and instantly form an image in his mind. So he's reading faster and comprehending faster. So let's do a small exercise where we will utilize our peripheral vision. I have rearranged the text and now let's read it concentrating only on the faded dotted line in the center without moving our eyes sideways. When we read text this way, we just utilized our peripheral vision. We looked at the word in the center, but we were also able to register the words next adjacent to that central word. So how can we improve our peripheral vision? So that comes with practice. It's not natural, but with more and more practice, this process of reading, of recognizing peripheral words and increasing our span of recognition becomes almost automatic. So what you can do is that you can take a textbook or a printed page and make lines on it which are equally spaced and which are slightly more than your usual span of recognition. And then you can read by only fixating your eyes on the intersection of the lines of text and the vertical lines. Read fast and don't worry too much about understanding completely. Even if you can understand the text partially, you have made some improvement in utilizing your peripheral vision. And when you do that, you increase your span of recognition, and by doing that, you improve your reading speed and you improve your comprehension.